My name is Emily, and today I want to tell you a story about my wonderful family. This story is designed for English learners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills. So please get comfortable, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. My family is not very big, but it is incredibly special to me. We are all different in many ways, and I believe that's what makes us strong. We learn from each other every day. Let me start by introducing my parents. My father's name is Michael. He is a calm, kind, and very patient person. He has a very quiet strength about him. He works during the day, but no matter how tired he is, he always makes time for us in the evening. That's something I really admire. My father loves to cook. He doesn't make fancy dishes, but his simple meals are always delicious and made with love. He also enjoys listening to music at home. It's usually some classic rock or jazz, and it creates a really relaxing atmosphere. My mother's name is Sarah. She is warm, caring, and almost always smiling. Her smile can brighten up any room. She takes wonderful care of our home, making sure it's a place where we all feel happy and comfortable. Her favorite activities are gardening and reading. In the morning, you can often find her in our small garden, tending to her flowers and plants. She says it's her form of meditation. After that, she likes to sit with a cup of tea and a good book. She has passed her love of reading on to me. One of my absolute favorite things about my family is our meals together. It's a simple routine, but it's so meaningful. Every evening, we all sit down at the dinner table and eat as a family. There are no phones, no TV, just us. Sometimes we eat simple food like rice, vegetables, and chicken. My dad often makes his famous roasted chicken. Other times, my parents like to be adventurous and we try new dishes from different countries. Last week, we tried making pasta from scratch, and it was so much fun, even though we made a huge mess in the kitchen. My parents use these moments to teach me about food and culture from around the world. During dinner, we talk about our day. It's our time to connect. I tell them about school, my friends, and what I learned. My dad talks about his work, and my mum shares stories about her day. We share funny stories, laugh together, and we really listen to each other. If one of us had a tough day, we offer support and advice. These moments around the dinner table make me feel so safe, understood, and deeply loved. It's the highlight of my day. My family also has many beautiful traditions that we have built over the years. On weekends, we have a rule: no early alarms. We wake up late and have a big breakfast together. My dad usually makes pancakes or waffles, and we all help it. After breakfast, we often go for a long walk in the park nearby. We love being outdoors, especially when the weather is nice. Sometimes, instead of the park, we visit our relatives, like my grandparents or my cousins. On special days like birthdays or holidays, we celebrate together. Then we all get into the kitchen and prepare a special feast. My parents always use these occasions to tell me stories about their childhood and the traditions they grew up with. I love listening to those stories. They are like little windows into the past, and they help me understand where my family comes from and who we are. These traditions connect us to our past and create beautiful memories for our future. In the evenings, after dinner and homework are done, we like to relax together as a family. Our family time is precious. Sometimes we watch a movie, sometimes we play board games, and sometimes we just sit in the living room and talk. My favorite nights are definitely movie nights. We all get cozy on the couch with warm blankets and a big bowl of popcorn. Choosing a movie can be a challenge because we all have different tastes, but we always find something that everyone can enjoy. We laugh at the funny parts and get quiet during the serious scenes. These moments are simple, but they are very, very important to me. It's not about what we are doing, but that we are doing it together. To me, family is more than just people you live with. My family teaches me so many important lessons every single day. From my dad, I learn patience and calmness. From my mum, I learn kindness and how to care for others. They show me what love looks like through their actions. They help me when I feel sad or discouraged, and they are my biggest cheerleaders when I feel happy and proud. They celebrate my successes with me, no matter how small. Of course, no family is perfect. We have disagreements and arguments sometimes, just like everyone else. But what truly matters is the love and care we have for one another. That's what gets us through the tough times and what makes the good times even better. That is what makes my family so wonderful. So, at the end of each day, when I'm lying in bed, I often think about how thankful I am for my family. They are my support system, my comfort, and my home. They are the people I can always count on, no matter what. This was my story about me and my wonderful family. Remember to subscribe for more stories. See you next time.